Hey guys, Bisa here from Computer Repair Amsterdam. What I want to show you today is this device that I made myself. I'm using this device mostly to fix telephones and MacBook screens. What this device do is just that's a heating pad from a 3D printer that you can set the degree here on the thermoregulator, and if the right degree is reached, this solid state relay cuts the power to the pad, so you can keep exactly the right degree that you set here on the thermoregulator. So what I do is I put the telephone here or the MacBook screen, and if it's warm enough I can go easy through the adhesive. Sometimes this adhesive is very hard to take. If you like the video, just give me a big thumbs up and like and subscribe. Till next time guys, bye.